ये है हमारे बॉडीगार्ड एनसीसी वाले। बाय बाय। वैसे भी आ जाओ, पढ़ जाओ।
Hello, hello, Mr. Patil.
फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक स्कूल के फंक्शन के लिए अपने बच्चों को ऑडिटोरियम लेके आए हैं। अब देखिए कैसे फैसिनेटिंग सेरेमनी अटेंड होती है बच्चों की हमारी। चलिए मिलिए मेरे और अनीता रावत के साथ यहाँ पर।
Hello, mic test. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, mic test. Hello.
जबरदस्ती की मुस्कान बिखेरती हुई रिंकी मैम।
So you will look all these things very carefully, because in the coming period of time when you will reach class 11th and 12th, you will also get the chance. Alright? You will also get the chance to become the part of the student council. So during the time of the ceremony, just have patience. We know that the temperature is high, but when we enjoy something, so that time the temperature doesn't matter anything, isn't it? So give a huge round of applause to welcome our principal ma'am.
The veteran leaders hand over the mantle of leadership to their kin. Therefore, the investiture ceremony has a special significance in schools. During this ceremony, the responsibilities are entrusted to the newly appointed council members, who take over the guardianship with pride and take the pledge to work in unison for the students' welfare. A very warm welcome to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, for sparing their valuable time to accompany us on this glorious event, and other dignitaries too. And a hearty welcome to one and all present over here. Please give a huge round of applause for all the dignitaries and all the students here. Let's begin this event with the lamp lighting ceremony, for which I would request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and other dignitaries to come to the stage and do the honors. Please, Ma'am, Sir, and other dignitaries.
तथा हरा शिक्षक अपनी ड्यूटी देता हुआ।
Here, new and enthusiastic minds will take over the command of the student representative body from the former leaders. We are confident that the new school captains and curricular heads will perform the duties of the school with great pride. Also, we are assured that all the house leaders will make the emblem of their houses soar high. Now, to mark this event as a truly memorable one, I would humbly request our Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Sir to pin the badges of honor along with respected Kulbe Sir and adorn sashes on the uniforms of our school captains. Please,
Newly elected members, all of you, just assemble towards the right side of the stage. All the members. Newly elected members.
kindly stand in a queue to your right side. Give a huge round of applause. Followed by newly elected head girl Manasvi Pandey, 12th D. Keep clapping for them. Let this moment be a memorable one for them. Congratulations to the newly elected head boy and head girl of our school. Yes, put your hands together for the new head boy and head girl. Congratulations. Yes, every student start special clap. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good, good, very good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good, good, very good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good, good, very good. For maintaining the discipline of the school, we have the newly elected discipline head boy Ravi Joshi of grade 12th B and Pankaj Puri Goswami of grade 12th A. Followed by discipline head girl Divyanshi Barsilia from grade 12th D and Divya Mehra of grade 12th B. All the four please come to the stage. discipline of the school to the best of your ability. NCC students are requested to maintain the silence among the students and discipline. Once again, every student start special clap. Go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Let's move towards the house prefects for the red house, that is for Vineet Singh and Mani Grover for the house captains and vice captains. Once again, start the special clap. Go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
मैम आप इसमें से
Again, performers. This time we think the commercials are going to rock the houses. Party from 11th B. Section B is nowhere less from any other captain and vice captain. A thunder of claps. Discipline decorum. Maintain the decorum of the hall.
Managing Director of the school, Mr. Surya Kumar Joshi, and the Principal, Mrs. Manju Joshi, I congratulate and my heartiest congratulations to all the students who have achieved their success and bring laurels to the school by achieving highest marks. And at the same time, I also congratulate all the council members of the student, those who have shown faith, being faith by the students. So, to show their faith and responsibility towards the school, I request all the council members to be in a position of oath, and they will take oath after me. Yes, you can repeat after me. We, the newly elected members, selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. May God bless us to keep our school banner flying high. Jai Hind. Thank you.
अच्छा तलाश कर जो पत्थर को तोड़ दे। मुश्किल की घड़ियों में खुद को संभाल इतना हौसला देखकर तेरा मुश्किलें आना ही छोड़ दे। A very pleasant morning to one and all present. I, Devesh Joshi, would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the Almighty, the school management, our principal Mrs. Manju Joshi, and the teachers for giving us the opportunity to showcase ourselves in front of the audience, and also giving us a great chance to be the head in the respective fields. I myself stood for the prestigious post of head boy, and by God's grace, I was able to make it. And I feel graceful to be the voice of you all. Today, whatever me and my colleagues are, rather, wherever we are standing, we dedicate this success journey to our prestigious and holy Universal Convent Senior Secondary School. Now, when I talk about myself, I would like to thank my friends who motivated me to stand for this post, my supporters who gave their valuable vote to me by trusting me, the teachers who guided me, and also to my opponents who gave me a tough competition, making this election interesting and also helping me to realize that even I could be the best. So as the school head boy of Universal Convent Senior Secondary School, लगती पर मेरी निष्ठा अडिग पड़ी है। वक्त बदलते देर में लगती पर मेरी निष्ठा अडिग पड़ी है। अब जो कि हेड बॉय बन गया हूँ, पर यह जिम्मेदारी बहुत बड़ी है। परंतु यदि आप सहयोग करें, कुछ भी संभव हो सकता है। आपका प्यार और साथ ही तो मेरी सफलता की मजबूत कड़ी है, मेरी सफलता की मजबूत कड़ी है। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, esteemed teachers and my fellow students. I stand before you today with immense gratitude and humility as I express my sincerest thanks for entrusting me with the responsibility of being your mentor. First and foremost, I would like to thank the school management, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and the management staff for giving me the opportunity to stand here at this prestigious post. To all the teachers, thank you for your guidance, encouragement, and for believing in my potential.
Board exams, you have to be confident. If you will prepare for the entire year, you will surely be confident on your exam and on yourself so that you can write exam very well. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good, Latika. Start planning from right now only because the tomorrow never comes. Whatever you are planning, you just do it. You apply from today only. Definitely success will be there in your hands. All those 90%.
Sir, please stage पर आ जाइए. One, two, three. Good, very good. Congratulations to both of you. Now from grade 10, following universalites have become topper with highest percentage. Let me start the names with Vedant Pandey with 94 percentile, Bhavi Bish 93.4 percentile, next Priyanshi Joshi 93.2 percentile, Anshika Adhikari 92.8 percentile, Prablin Kaur 92.2 percentile, Rashmi Pandey with 92.2 percentile again, with Saket Joshi 91 percentile, Dakshita Mish 90.8 percentile, and lastly Sakshi Badani with 90.2 percentile. Please come up to the stage for the honors, all of you. Put your hands together for them. Where are your energy levels? Yes. Please move from the other side.
Utkarsh is present. Class 7th or 8th, Utkarsh is present. Class teacher. Utkarsh, please come here. Now 8th. So in class 7th he has participated. Now he is in class 8 and he has achieved the certificate for his outstanding performance in the school and a cash prize also given by Bharti Sanskrit Gyan Pariksha. Dear students, please maintain the silence. Now take students.
Let him go. Wait.
समर वैकेशन की खुशी बच्चों के चेहरे में साफ झलक रही है। साथ में पेरेंट्स भी चल रहे हैं खुशी से। पढ़ाई कर लेना, क्लास 10th वाले हो। क्लास 10th वाले स्पेशली 1 महीने घूमने नहीं जाओगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।